Mm-hmm. Yeah, my complete people. I greet all of una mama. I don't show, I don't come. Now we dey here. So now we dey run am. Now, my people, I don't show, I don't come. I greet all of una good evening. I first do one video in the morning. That one about social media madness. All those madness where they create for social media. So now till for that in the morning, I can't tell them, I say this evening I'll still come out. I clear issue. I can't say if you dey date guy or girl they date you. You know, date for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Babe, if you no dream, see the boy, bagger. Can me talk on? Kesley Omoruyi, I greet you, big daddy. I greet you, big daddy, yo. As we come to talk on, more the good the matter, more sad the matter won't be. If you date man, if they follow man, they run things. 1 year, 2 years. You no dream see the man, babe, bagger. Babe, if you dey follow up with man, you dey date man. You dey date man, you and man dey. 6 months, you dey dream, they see tortoise, babe, bagger. You know so me that man. Or me oh no. Osa's best. Hello. Una go biawo say zero who. You as a woman, we no who. Ugo biawo say umana mina mi okbiani to lemo. Uga mina una mina mi egui uzokbia say to lemo. Unwe wo me ono. Odogbo okoyame. Na mi talkan odogu. When you date man for 1 year, you no dream see am. Una two never even say mona dey pursue body they go for dream. Una two never dey mona dey day well for dream. You never dream say una two go dey put ring for una self hand. Una go dey play for inside garden. Una go dey pursue una self. Or the man go even carry cutlass dey pursue you to go for dream. If you never see that kind of thing, babe, bagger. Bagger. To let muhiyan. Can me talking? If you dey date man, you dey dream they see tortoise, babe, bagger. Because that man, or me who no who I know. Unwe wo me who no. When we ziga no do bo koyame. Now they feel me. In the morning, I do one video. I say, I call it talk about what did they call them? Whatever call. What is their name? All those social media madness. Whether they mad for social media. I do them as an audio. Now my real face with this. So now my real program. Now it comes so. And I still there. If you are dating a man, as I said before, you know dream see that man, babe, that relationship will never work. If you are dating a man and you are dreaming, your dream, you are seeing a tortoise, that relationship will never work. Everybody know what the tortoise be. If you dream, if you are a man there, you dream to see snail, babe, bagger, it will never work. Because anything where you tell the man, that's what you go to do. I beg you, maybe this one you're doing, yo. All those kind of things. You understand? One thing you people did not understand about relationship is faculty. Brain. Now brain. As I talk and go the women's side though, now so I still talk and go the men's side. All of the above. If you date woman, you know dreams here. Guy, you go. If you date woman, you know say, you know dream as in you dream they see tortoise, babe, guy, move. That's same thing. But my most of program, now women I get my program. Do you understand me? How can you be dating a man? You're a date man without you know see, you know dream see him. Before the man come your house, you know dream see him. Before you even go the man house self, you know dream see him. Then you will come out on social, you come out on any place to tell me that is your boyfriend or is your husband, where you know dream see him. Na lie. That relationship will never work. Good evening, mercy, God day. When a man approach you and you love the man very well, good evening, Jesus grace, good evening. Good evening. You dey follow up with man, for example. Good evening, Prince. That is my mommy last born. Now that one my mama take clean in Bekos. You use one clean in Bekos, you know the and that one be the last one where my mama take clean her. Wait till fall out. That my lovely mama. Mama we are not the use her they play. I know they use mama they play with person. It was in on yame. No go there, no go fuck. Now that one my mama take clean her. As we talk now, day life in low land, they all land now as we talk. So as we call the talk, how can you be dating a man? A man is coming to your house, or you are going to man's house when you are dating him on phone, or you are dating in anywhere, and man toast you for any junction, any angle. Before you go in house, or before the man come your house, you know dream see him. My dear, you are a kakotoa. That relationship will never work. Because it is what you love you will dream about. Honorary friend, just honorary friend. How can you dream about your honorary friend? Just honorary friend. So, una be tight, very tight friend. Una day you dey dream about him. But when your lover will be say you love him, he love you. We go come, you no go dream about him. You are failed. You are a missed scorpion. Na maybe odogun akataka. My dear, in relationship, we must use our faculty. Don't see the way man is handsome. Man is tall, is okay, he's doing this one, he spend money for you, he's using money, he has money. Because of that one, you fall into the relationship. You fall into rock, not the relationship you fall in. When you didn't dream about that person. You haven't slept one day to get the man feeling. Have it in mind, it's not going to work. The relationship in here work. Egba. Ahori agiri ogogo eri ori gaena. If not see anyone bona dele yet no makeke. Ena hiruda. Wa mi na mi okuya wa kede yo. Ami o na everybody are born to dream. Nobody will not a dream. Everybody are born to dream. Everybody are born to dream. Nobody will not a dream. So, my dear, if you did not dream about your man, quit that relationship because it's not going to work for you. Number 2, you are falling in love with a man. You are with a man. You dey dream, they see tortoise. Babe, bagger. It's not going to work for you. That tortoise so when you dream, see you get her for mind, say, he go play you anyhow, I go play you yeah. He go play you to number nonsense. He go play you stupidity. He go play you anyhow. Let me talk. Uga agwo biaro. Una amina mi egui. O wa ya wewewa. O me ono. Una ya agwo kworo. Ube mi na mi egui ni. To be lowe o ya wewewa. O me o eno. Anonymously. If you want to enjoy your relationship, try me you dream see the man where you want fall in love with. If you feel dream with him, you see him for your dream. Una two day, una they play, una they run up and down, una they play for inside the dream. That makes you a man, that a woman. That makes you say that relationship would work. Oh, one winner. In any area, it can never work, and it will not work. Lie. Then, they said the most beautiful woman end up by single mother. Say, beautiful woman not they stay husband house. Beautiful woman not they go husband house. If beautiful woman go husband house, he must cheat. Beautiful woman, if he must do anything for husband house, he fear not go let anybody talk. Beautiful woman not they stay husband house. Who tell on that one? Beautiful woman, they stay husband house. Beautiful woman, they husband house. Beautiful woman, they marry, they go date their husband house. Lazy man. Now they talk say beautiful woman no dey stay husband house. Yes. A beautiful man cannot come to your house when she is beautiful. Then later to discover that you are a lazy man. You don't want to work. You don't want to do anything. You expect the beautiful woman to stay with you. Majority of the people wey dey talk say beautiful woman no dey stay husband house. That majority of them, na their woman they shit with. You know they are lazy people. And I know say they dey lazy well. Beautiful woman they stay husband house. Beautiful woman to be husband, they stay with their husband, they sacrifice themselves for husband. It is because you are lazy. That is the reason why you will rant to say beautiful woman, they don't stay husband's house. Woman wey fine, e dey stay husband house. So say woman wey get nyash, wey get shape, no dey stay husband house. Woman wey get nyash, get shape, dey stay husband house. Yes. Yes. If you are dating a beautiful woman, you make sure say you will have the money when you started, have job when you started, have everything when you started. Not be the one wey be so you date a beautiful woman, at the end you can't come or leave you. Come to say, woman wey fine no dey stay husband house. Woman wey fine dey stay husband house. There they stay. Woman wey fine, all men I get am. No, you are wrong. That is a word of an ignorant. Woman wey fine dey stay husband house. Confirm, normal. It is because you are lazy. That is the reason why you rant in your mouth. You say, woman that's beautiful, you cannot stay husband house. Because you are lazy. You as the husband. You work marry woman wey fine, you don't know say you will work. You don't know say you will also. It's not ugly before you see him now. One thing about this life we don't understand. When a man pick a woman from the street, that woman will be the most ugliest somebody so far in the whole world. Not be even in the whole world now they talk. But when time will come after the man don't tire, the man will come to talk say, that woman is too ugly. He not fine. But the time when they toast that woman, that the woman is beautiful pass for the whole world. Honey, you are beautiful. You are the most beautiful woman in the whole world. That time at the time when they toast them. That time at the time when they toast them. Honey, you too fine, you too correct. You are most beautiful in the whole world. The time when they toast them. After the man don't tire, I beg they go. You know sabi makeup. You know they do this one. You know they do that one. You know fine again. I beg you, leave me. I beg they go. All those kind of things. Why? Because the man don't tire. So, whether they talk about beautiful ladies, say beautiful ladies, they know they stay husbands. Beautiful ladies that they stay husbands. There are some women who are not beautiful when they go to their husband's house. When they get there, they become beautiful. And you expect them to not stay in their husband's house? No. A lazy man always ranting his mouth to say a beautiful woman cannot stay in husband's house. Beautiful woman, they stay in husband's house. You that come out to say a beautiful woman cannot stay in husband's house, you are a lazy man. It is because you are lazy. You a married woman wey fine, you don't know say you go work. You don't know say you strong for yourself. You think say love go, you have to do everything wey go dey put food for your belly. You have to say, man, as the woman fine, so that fineness go dey carry money cause they give you me the shop. Lazy man, they always dey find women wey get nyash wey they'll carry. Lazy men. Now they always they look for fine women. All those women wey get uku, wey get nyash wey they go carry. Now maybe Odogun Akataka. Anybody who wants me argue around with me, come follow me argue around. It is because you are lazy. So, my dear people, in a relationship, na vice versa. Before a woman will cheat in you, woman must discover your mistake, the mistake you made before you start cheating. When a woman cheats on you, let her go. It's better than you come out of social media, you rant nonsense. It's better than telling the whole world what she did. Oh, you let her go. I don't see woman will cheat. He go. But later, he still come back. Come beg. When you come back, come beg your husband. You come back, you come beg your husband. It doesn't make sense because wait till you feel come out for. You come out will be say, yeah, the man is nothing. You are still coming back, you still discover the man is still nothing. So why did you come back? It is better than you come on social media or you go any place, you start talking. No, you don't talk. Calm down, calm. So same thing with women. So for women, either beautiful, either handsome, either beautiful, either ugly. No, all women deserve an husband's house. So say, this time around now ugly women, how can they enter husband's house? How can ugly women enter husband's house? At the end, they become beautiful. She become beautiful. Is she still ugly? So all of them are the same. Now ugly women, how can they stay for husband's house now? Fine women, not they stay for husband's house. Women are women. No fine, no ugly. Nobody will not want to go husband's house. Everybody want go. No women fine, no women ugly. As soon as woman don't they born pikin, e don dey stretch, the tight body, they born pikin. Pikin don't they come out for that toto. She is not ugly. A ugly woman gave birth to a beautiful woman. Yes. Beautiful girls when they talk. Not be ugly woman born them. Not be old woman born them. Not be mature lady born them. Na so it be. So, if you get married to ugly, have it in mind, ugly will become beautiful one day because you are a good man. When a woman come to your life and that woman is ugly and that woman still remain ugly with you, have it in mind you are a bad man. You are a wicked man. You are a mad man. Na me talk Odogu. Woman wey ugly, e come your life, e still remain ugly. You dey take care of am, e still remain ugly. You know say e be bad person. You know say e be madman. But when a beautiful woman come to you, later on the beautiful a bad man. You know say you be bad woman. You know that you are a wicked somebody. You are a madman. If ugly woman come to you and the woman still remain ugly. When a beautiful woman come to you and the woman become, that beautiful woman become ugly, you are a bad man. You are a madman. Na me talk am. Man wey no dey fear. Yes. A relationship is to take care of your woman. If you don't have the money to take care of your woman, make your woman happy. Make her happy. Make her the most happiest somebody so far. We don't have money. When you are making your woman happy, your woman will young. She will young. She will young. She will stay beauty. Anything she's using on her body, she will be feeling it. She will beautiful, beautiful, little by little. Women don't send our money. Women don't send what we have. They send what is inside us. What is that? Love. Women never want to see us if we are sad. They want to see us when we smile. Women are our second mother. Yes. Women, they are a mother to us, second mother. Ihu, ihe ijima no bogiva. Awaiting ya mai, ihe gimai, mai. But at the end, fine woman wey Ganya should not stay husband house. Fine women not stay husband house. Who tell you? Who tell you? Women they stay husband house. A beautiful woman, they are in their husband house today. You know what is beautiful? Don't say because of the cleanness of your body, because you peel up your body, that will make you beautiful. No. You as a man, if you have money, your wife is beautiful. You like may your wife be a tutu poyoyo. May your wife be say yes, now you can ugly pass for the whole world. When you have money, your wife now go find pass for the whole world. That go to a wife. If you see her face to face, you not fine now. He gets trench mark like this. You not fine. But money make her fine. Who be the money na your husband. So you as a lazy man, you don't come out to say a beautiful woman cannot stay husband's house. No, because you are lazy. That is the reason why they did not stay with you. If you are not lazy, a beautiful woman will stay with you. I just see majority women will be say the many. Giamuso, what Daniel agreed, Baba Negbahi. And I understand. Every woman deserves husband's house. Every woman must go to their husband's house, either beautiful or not beautiful. And no woman will not be beautiful, no woman will not fine. How can you go say woman not fine? You go dey find the woman wey you go chook prick for itoto, and you say e not fine. How can you fuck woman who is not beautiful? If you are not a cheater, if you are not a traitor, if you are not a bloody liar, if you are not a scammer, if you are not a big fool, Moronsky, Mona Rezina, woman wey not fine, then you as a man, you dey find out they go me chook pre your dad this thing for you for make us wey get, and you know say e not fine. If woman not fine, you're not supposed to go for am now. You see they find woman wey fine. You say you dey look for fine woman, good. You still see woman wey fine. Later you come still come and say woman wey fine, e not get a good evening, my lovely Imose Nogomen. What? Where is my father? I greet you la where cameraman we line up. Ya call you later. When rame get ya call you only rame me viere de kire your one. Very important. Then you go for a beautiful woman. Since you say you want to go for beautiful woman, at the end you will still come out on social media, you come out everywhere, come out telling your friends, telling everybody that a beautiful woman cannot stay husband's house. Say beautiful woman not good. My dear, I tackle something. When you say a beautiful woman cannot stay husband's house, it makes you a lazy man. It is because you are lazy. That is the reason why your wife who is beautiful cannot stay with you, because you are lazy. Yes. You will want to marry beautiful woman, you know say go buy pancake now. Good evening, peace golden. You will want to marry beautiful woman, you know say you buy pancake. You will want to marry beautiful woman, you buy lace we go wear now. You buy cream we go to the rub body. You buy shoes. You buy everything, you buy many things. You buy You fish eyelashes for them now. You fish nails for them. You will want baby. You will want wait be yes. You will want marry beautiful woman. Yes. My people, more not dey cheat ourselves again. Hey, I go Prince, Africa Prince. I agree to why it be now. So that is it. You will want marry woman where you find, you must face the responsibility. Not be the one you come on social media, you come on different places, ranting your mouth, telling people that a beautiful woman cannot stay husband's as who tell you. Because you are a lazy man. Yes, because you are lazy. If you are lazy, have it in mind that that beautiful woman must go. Now they hear me. Beautiful woman disappears. Beautiful or ugly. Some say because the woman is beautiful or woman get shape, the woman this and that, he cannot stay husband's house. He must stay. A woman can stay. If you are not lazy, your woman will not go. If you are not lazy, You will not come out on social media to tell people that a beautiful woman cannot stay husband's house. Who tell you? If they stay, fine, confirm. My people. In every relationship we are going to, we must use brain. We will use our 440, our 50. Learn. When you date a man, for example, you are dating a man 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. You know, they dream, they see tortoise, you run because that man is a trick. I know what I mean. The man are yao. Same thing with the man. If you are dating a woman, you see, say, hey, you dream, they see tortoise, you know, say that woman can't play you, you run. Same thing when you are dating a man for 2 years, you not dream, see that man, you run. Yes. He will play you. So that is it. In every relationship, there is a misunderstanding where men misunderstand us. There is a relationship where women misunderstand us. We must use our faculty. We must use sense. Everything we will do in sense. These days is that beautiful woman. Now they beg man, say, let me stay with you, let me be with you. So man, when they talk and they say, beautiful woman, not they stay husband house, you know you is a lazy man. You don't want to work. A ugly woman will come to your house. You as a strong man, you will make that woman become beautiful. It make you a man. No ranting nonsense. Come out of social media, telling people, hey, am I clear, my people? Everything we do in our brain.
Like, 6, oh, good at 6, 7. What boom?
No woman will not define. And no woman will not fine. So say ugly woman now they stay for husband house now. That ugly woman will not talk. If you stay for husband house, you get where go, she go come fine. You know say your husband a better man. When ugly woman go your husband house, ugly woman will come fine, he go come beautiful. Now your husband get power now. Now be you know say lazy men now they get beautiful wife. Now they get beautiful woman. Sorry, not be wife, beautiful woman. Katia, I did my wife senior brother house, so I did this side. They asked me where I did. I did this side. I do my wife's senior brother. He wants to celebrate his baby birthday. But you hear me? After, when una get woman don't reach una side, don't reach una hand. Try to make her beautiful. If he's not beautiful, make her beautiful. If she is already beautiful, then try to fight on so that you will be beautiful more than beautiful. Not be the one where you come and you call they say, hey, very important. On est tout loin. Où est loin? You are a lazy man. You are a lazy man. That is the reason why. That is the reason why your woman come out. You were lazy. Don't you bother to go for beautiful women. And as for me, Ugo, General Koduwa, I don't know if this woman is beautiful or not. No. I don't know whether woman fine or not fine. When you just come, you stay. When we continue what we have, we continue what we do. Jessica, a man who is not your boyfriend, and you can't dream, see and say, "Oh, they play love for dream." You know, say one day go come toast you if you not get boyfriend. Since now the question what you ask me be that, he go come toast you. If he still can't toast you, well, you back here since you come in a minute. When I'm here where area day, una ya mina mi okbiere, another woman, husband, or they play love. You are your own. No crack, come meet me, your papa. Me, I can't talk for social. I eat that one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Friday night. Oh, yeah, Friday. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, Friday. I still remember General Koduwa, Odogu, Ogwefi 1. When I understand me, in everything you do, Mona they use a ganoshi. Now they hear me. When I use brain. If ask Jessica talk yours now. If you dream, if you not get boyfriend, you dream see man will be say never come toast you. You tell where the man go take on, let her enter house. Because if you not let her enter, get her for me, say na she through you go meet later. Or work boy your me you. No time, no level. Blessed mothers. If you dream see tortoise and you dey date man, quit that relationship. If you dey date man 1 year, 2 years, you not dream see that man, quit the relationship. It will not work. You are having an affair with a man. Whenever the man is with you, your mind is not there. Your mind is always with another man outside. You know say that one I get you. Don't waste your time by disgracing yourself. Don't waste your time by wasting your time. Don't waste your time by dribbling yourself, by messing up yourself anyhow. No. One day that man will come for you. Because it is what your heart desire. Now what your mind carry, now you will follow. I feel use something to make example for now. Like my wife. When I was approaching my wife, It was about 3 hours journey from my place to my wife's house. 3 hours journey. And before hours. When I was approaching her, I tell my wife, say, I love you so much, I do this, I do that, I do this. But there are people who were calling my wife, telling my wife this and that, this and this, who go not good, go this one, if you follow, go road not there, this and this, this and this. But it is because my wife was focused on me, and everything my wife do, she was thinking about me. That is the reason why we are still together today. Gena. We are still together. That is the reason why my wife is still with me. We are still running things together. Many people they call now, hey, we'll go this one, go that one, go this one, go this one. But today, I still there. Me and I, we still there. Why? Because our mind, they we are there. Many people where they drive motor for this country, we get passport, we get this one, they get that one. They even they build house, they get house for this country. They don't even come to stamp, you not green, not go. And me will be aduro, na me can't go. Na me come in. Why? Because our mind, they we are there. Yes. Now they understand me. Now maybe Odogun Akataka, a man of timber and caliber. Man, we only one man of he push. Except when I go reach 14 before I push him for. But today, me and my wife, we are still together. Upon many things where they don't talk about me, but I don't fucking care. Why am I saying all these things? Life is a lesson. Now wait till your mind carry, now you will follow. Now wait till your mind carry, now you go on with. If your mind go on with person, you like the person, you get 100, this one, will get this one, get bobo. Let your mind be there, you will get it. Now waiting your mind carry. You dream, see somebody say, hey, this one is my husband, and this is going to be, no matter the distress, no matter the circumstances, no matter what the man is doing, no matter how the man is, he will be your husband. It is what your mind choose. Because of beautifulity, when you ranting your mind, you will get nonsensicacies. If you wrong your mind, say, this one no level for me, I go for this one get swag, you get level, you're your fate. That is the reason why majority of you women are failing in today. Because of the circumstances of men. Men did not have swagging, he not tall rich, he short, he black, he do this, he do that. We human beings, we only read what is outside us. We don't read what is inside us. Because I know you can never know what is inside my mind. I can only tell you everything. I will tell you everything within my mind, but you will not know say that thing in my mind. You understand me? Love. One thing about love you people did not understand is when you use your faculty. You understand? Beautiful woman don't stay at husband's house. Beautiful woman they stay. Beautiful woman that they stay at husband's house. Beautiful woman don't stay at husband's house. That they stay. You as a lazy man, you know if you a friend beautiful woman, may you come out today, may you call it and say, hey, the woman don't find I must go water, I must go water. Because you are lazy. Who lazy you see no how man go water. Okay, lazy woman. Lazy man, I mean sorry. The woman wey too fine, you know they stay husband house, that's for the lazy man. Okay, woman wey fine no fit stay your house, you know say you dey lazy. Normal. Then, but if you come up for your house, na another man house in dey go. But if you reach another man house, you go stay there. Why you go stay there? You no be human being wey come up for your hand, go stay for another man house. Na big falling hand if woman come up for your hand, go stay for another man like your house. You go there, you go just there, and a big falling hand. Because you are a madman. So, my people, one reason me wakedo large and social media do atalo. Beautiful women don't stay husband's house. Yes, beautiful man don't stay husband's house because you are a lazy man. Definitely, as a beautiful woman, the beautiful of a woman cannot give you food to eat. The beautiful of a woman cannot give you whatever you want to eat or you want to do. So you will carry beautiful woman, you know, say you buy pancake, you buy weavon, you buy clothes, you buy cream. So it is because you are lazy. That is the reason why your wife, now make your wife come out, because you as a lazy man cannot get him. And one thing about it, when I know observe, the most laziest man so far in everywhere gets the beautiful woman. Na rotation, very strong. Mona hold am for mind. Lazy men. Now they get women wey fine pass. I greet all of una. Hello now. I still remember General Koduwa Ugodogu, High Chief Ogwuefi 1. Oh, wow, boss, voila. Bye bye to your boyfriend. Mona, bye bye. I greet all of una. I beg Katia, do me you call me. I want to hit my video. I not fish out. Una hear all the beautiful women. Mona go hold on her husband strong. If una husband lazy, Mona come on go meet another ugly man way strong. I greet una. Now we say I can't give una today be that. Lazy men, now they get fine women. So fine women, if you see say your husband lazy, go find another ugly man, follow up. No reason. Ugly men are the strong pass for the junction. They work, they chop money. When you follow ugly man, you can't find the more. All those lazy boys, and like they'll gog you. Now hear me. If they who be this one, mercy God they if they know they stay where they came, they stay. I don't understand what you talk. Later you call me. You be my daughter, you be my pikin. Later you call me. So I greet all of you. Now bye bye to your boyfriend. Now bye bye. I want to go enjoy with my wife. I think I've shown her my wife just now. I don't see my wife just now. My wife, not see what you carry. I'm a strong man. That is the reason why I'm there. I do not see my wife just now. My baby, you back here, you want my ram where we pal up. Oh, you back here. I'm not seeing. I'm not there. So, see her. She is beautiful. She is not beautiful. In me, and with what I have, she is the most beautiful she is the most beautiful so far. I don't know. See her. My wife cannot come out today now, or me or not if you come out today now say, as my wife come be now, say, you be so, you know if he stay as my house. No, he go stay. Because I'm a strong man, he go stay with me. So, boys, go and work money. Wanna go work for money. When you work, you are working, you are making money. Your beautiful wife will stay with you. If you marry ugly woman, if you dey make money, your wife will come fine. You understand? If you marry a woman wey fine, you know they make money, the woman will come ugly. You understand? When I say go water, you want go water because you are lazy. You are bosswa. You are baller. Go and make money. Work. Hey, Bye bye to your boyfriend. How we fancy me? Mona coming for platform.